In this video, we take a look at how to do front post stitches. Stay with me and I'll show you how. Front post stitches work around the post of the stitch as opposed to the top of the stitch. Along the front it gives a raised ridge pattern, and along the back you can see a horizontal ridge pattern. So let's get started. This can be done using any of the basic stitches, but for this example I'll be using double crochet. This is called treble crochet in UK terminology. We begin by making a chain of 2. This does not count as a stitch. We're now going to begin our first double crochet, and we would normally crochet into the top of the stitch, but instead we're going to work around the posts of the double crochet from the previous row. For our front post stitch, we yarn over for a double crochet and we bring our hook behind the post and out the front so that the post is in front of the hook. We yarn over, pull it back behind the post and make our double crochet. We move on to the next stitch. We yarn over for a double crochet. We go in between the 2 stitches, coming behind the post and back around the front so that the post is on the front of the hook. We yarn over and pull it back behind the post and we make our double crochet. Yarn over. We come behind and around the post and back out the front. We yarn over, pull it back behind the post and make our double crochet. We yarn over, bring the hook behind the stitch and around the back and out the front so that the post is on the front of the hook. We yarn over, pull it back behind the stitch and we make our double crochet. We yarn over for our double crochet. We bring our hook around the back of the stitch and out the front. We yarn over, pull it back behind the stitch and make our double crochet. We yarn over, bring our hook behind the back of the stitch, yarn over, pull it through and make our double crochet. Here it is from the front. You can see these vertical ridges. And from the back, you can see a horizontal ridge between the 2 rows. And that's how to do front post stitches.